In this lesson, we will look at the notations of set. A set is notated as seen here. So the elements of the set are separated by a comma and they are enclosed in these curly braces. So these brackets that you see here are called curly braces. So we enclose the elements of the set separated by commas within the curly braces. And then we define the set with capital letter. So the set of vowels here is notated as capital A is equal to open curly brace A, E, I, O, U and closing curly brace. So this is how you notate a set in the roster form. And also the elements of the set are notated as A belongs to capital A or B does not belong to capital A. Let's look at this. So over here the symbol is called belongs to, and you on the left hand side of the symbol you have the element of the set. Over here it is small a, which is belonging to the set capital A. So this is how we notate the relationship between elements of the set and the set. Whereas here, as you observe, small b is not a part of this set. So we say small b does not belong to capital A. So now let's talk about representation of sets. So far we have seen the notation of sets. Now let's talk about the representation of sets. There are two ways in which you can represent a set. One is called the roster form. The other is called the set builder form. Roster form is also called as a tabular form or an enumerated method. Similarly, the set builder form is also called as the rule method or the property method. But for the most part, we call them roster form or the set builder form. We have already taken a look at the roster form a little while ago, but let's look at it one more time. So in a roster form, all the elements of the set are written in curly braces and are separated by commas. So as you have seen in the notation of sets lesson, that a set is notated with capital letters, right? And we have shown you this example set of vowels. So here capital A is equal to curly brace A, E, I, O, U and closing curly brace. So this is a roster form representation of the set of vowels and it is notated with the capital letter A. Similarly, a set of days in the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the 7 days of the week. We are representing the days of the week in curly braces and are separating those elements with commas, and we are notating that set with the capital letter W. So this is how you represent elements of a set in roster form. Now let's look at the second way of representation of sets. This is called the set builder form. In the set builder form, we will use a general element X, which is described by the rule that is satisfied by the definition of the set. So we will dig into this definition a little deeper, but let's look at another property of the set builder form. So in the set builder form, we do not write the elements of the set in an elaborate manner as you have seen in the roster form, but we will define the elements by the description or the characteristics of those elements. So let's look at it. The same set that you have seen before, which is A equal to A, E, I, O, U in roster form, is defined in the set builder form as follows. Capital A is equal to curly brace X such that, so this symbol is called the pipe symbol or also called as such that. So X such that X is a vowel of English language. So as you observe here, you are describing the characteristics of that element of the set. So this is set builder representation. So as you see, we have a general element X and we are defining a rule that is satisfied by the definition of the set. So the rule here is it must be the vowel of the English language, and the set A is defined as set of vowels, right? So the definition is set of vowels and you are defining the rule that is satisfying the definition of the set, and the rule over here is it must be a vowel of English language. Let's look at another example. over here we have a set which is notated with the capital letter B, and it is represented in the set builder form, and it is as follows: x such that x is a natural number and x less than 5. So you are defining this set as all natural numbers which are less than 5. So here you are defining a rule which is satisfying the definition of the set. So the definition of the set is all natural numbers less than 5, and the rule is stated here. So x must be a natural number and it should be less than 5. So this is your set builder form.